Hi there, welcome to my listing here at 4141 Siena Drive in Frisco, Texas, home of the Dallas Cowboys, PGA of America, and corporate headquarters of Federal Express, Home Depot, and Keurig-Dr. Pepper. Plus, you have the Club Corps Premier Course, Stonebriar Country Club, and so much more.
I gotta do it big. I gotta do it big. I gotta do it big. Gotta do it big. That's the only way to live. Come on.
Another great feature about this home is you are within walking distance of 3 of Frisco's most highly rated schools: Pink Elementary, Griffin Middle School, and Wakeland High School. But the best thing about this home is it could be home to you. Let's go take a look inside. Located in the well sought after neighborhood of Griffin Parc, this home features 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, just over 4,300 square feet, a 3-car garage, and sits on a 1/3 acre lot, which gives you plenty of backyard. When you walk in this custom home, you immediately notice these hardwood floors and this soaring 2-story foyer with this impressive chandelier. And the custom features don't stop here, they just get started. You've got this wrought iron curved staircase with this beautiful wood hand railing. Notice the crown molding throughout and all the modern trending paint colors. On your left, you have an oversized dining room that is perfect for family gatherings or hosting elegant dinners. The private study offers plenty of natural light and views of your front yard and is complete with custom wood built-in bookshelves and cabinetry. Plus, you have plenty of storage and are right next to your half bath. And I read in D Magazine that wallpaper such as this is coming back. Follow me this way as we continue through the home to the family room, which features this beautiful wood custom mantel, gas fireplace, and incredible views of your oversized backyard. Come on, and just off the family room is this custom kitchen, and the builder surely knew that the kitchen is the heart of the home because he incorporated this spacious layout with this large granite island, plenty of granite countertop space, and your stainless steel appliances include a 5-burner gas cooktop, microwave, dishwasher, double oven, and a new stainless steel fridge. And you have your breakfast nook, which offers plenty of space for seating and lots of natural light coming in from your bay windows. Alas, the owner's suite, which features a cozy little sitting area, floor-to-ceiling windows to allow for plenty of natural light in the mornings and afternoons, and you have your own private access to your outdoor living space. Owners will enjoy the spa-like bathroom featuring a large walk-in shower, relaxing spa tub with jets, and double vanities. This home has 2 well-thought-out staircases in the front and the back. The front is for guests to see how elegant and beautiful they are. In the back, you have some stairs for the kids to run up to your 2nd floor or for guests to tromp up to the media room and watch a movie. Come on! As you enter the upstairs, you will find 4 additional bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. There is also a spacious game room landing and a media room with multiple level flooring. The gated driveway gives you an added layer of security to keep out creepers like me. And my favorite part of this property, which I know that you're gonna love, is the outdoor living space, which all starts here on this nice spacious patio that has plenty of area for your green egg and to grill some steaks. And just look at this backyard. Awesome. This backyard offers you plenty of privacy and space. So if you want to come in and build your own resort style pool and spa, you can do it, and you'd still have enough room to put in a sports court or just enjoy plenty of play yard to entertain guests or play ball with the kids. This market is hot, so please make sure to give me a call before this home is gone. Please make sure to follow and like me on social media for all the newest real estate trends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest real estate videos. I'm Will Koberg, that guy, and we'll see you on the next home tour.